Hello students, I Aarti ma'am welcome you all to yet another session of English worksheet number 82 dated 9th February 2021. The topic of today's worksheet is the gap filling exercises. There are certain sentences given to you with MCQ. It is in the form of MCQ. There are 4 options given to you. We have to choose the correct answer. So let us see the question number 1 or sentence 1, that is, one female elephant dash abandoned in extremely poor health near the banks of river Yamuna. So it is given that this sentence shows that this is a past tense. We are given 4 options: found, was found, find, was find. You know that was find and find are not the correct answer. Because why it is not a correct answer? Because find is the first form of verb, so we can't write find when there is a past tense that has been governing the sentence. So we have 2 options, that is found and was found, but we have to write the verb also and auxiliary verbs accordingly. So the answer will be B part, that is, one female elephant was found. I am writing it: was found abandoned in extremely poor health near the banks of river Yamuna. Let us come to the second statement. The veterinarian doctor are keeping a strict watch dash her health, informing that she is out of danger. What are called veterinarian? We have also read this word in a triumph of surgery chapter, also in the footprint books. So veterinarian means doctor of animals. So he is saying, the sentence is saying that the female elephant, which was said to be an earlier paragraph, earlier statement, has been kept. Where she has been kept? She has been kept in Ban Santur Elephant Research Center, Rescue and Research Center. But what the doctors are doing, they are strictly watching on. So answer will be watch on. So answer will be on, and the sentence will become: the veterinarian doctor are keeping a strict watch on her health, informing that she is out of danger. Let us come to the third statement. The rescued elephant will be kept dash the Ben Santur Elephant Research and Rescue and Research Facility at Yamuna Nagar in Haryana. Now we are given 4 options. What are the 4 options? That is on. We have to see which option is the best option. So the answer to this will be option C, that is, the rescued elephant will be kept in. Why in is coming? In is coming because this Santur Elephant Rescue Center facility is situated at Yamuna Nagar, but the rescued elephant is kept in the Ban Santur Elephant Research and Rescue Center. Okay. Now let us come to question number 4 or statement number 4. It dash at least 5 to 6 hours for truck to reach the rescue center. There are 4 options again given to us, that is, will take, took and taken. Now we'll know that this is a continuing form of action that has been happening here. So it means that continuation will be coming. So the answer will be A part, that is, will take place, because the procedure will take a lot of time. So it will answer will take. So the statement will become: it will take at least 5 to 6 hours for the truck to reach the rescue center. Okay. Now let us come to the fifth statement. Fifth statement is: the elephant has been kept overnight in dash Delhi Forest Department Nursery. See, when we are using determinants, then we will see that it is a singular form that has been used here. So we will use, let me write down, we can use a, and the, but and cannot come because there is no vowel in Delhi Forest Department, so this option would be not to be chosen. And now we are left with a and the. If we write a, it means that Delhi Department Forest Department Nursery, there are various nurseries from which one nursery is being referred here. But if we write the, it means there is only one nursery that has been kept here, that has been spoken of in this sentence. So we'll write the, because why we will write the, because the Delhi Forest Department nursery will be only one that has been in the in Delhi district or Delhi state. Fine. So answer will be C. Let us come to the sixth statement. The Good Samaritan Society has offered dash proposals to take further care of her once she is shifted to Bansantur. We have four options: any, some, a few, much. So offered much proposal, it is wrong option. After any proposal, any will be there if we have to write a negative sentence, so this will not be sufficing. We have left with two options, some and a few. Some means kuch and a few means also kuch. Why we will choose the C option? The answer will be C. Why we will use the C option? Because the few proposals are being referred to and offered to the Good Samaritan Society. So the answer will be, the correct sentence will be, the Good Samaritan Society has offered a few proposals to take further care of her once she is shifted to the Bansantur. Okay, so this was your worksheet. Hope you have understood it well.